What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of BellsRides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me here in the Garage Lounge for part 3 in a series of my 2018 Road Glide Ultra getting a new look. Today's episode, we're installing the license plate relocation kit and the Probeam LED lights. This is the low profile LED tail light. Very cool. Also has a window down below so it will shine on the relocation kit. It's so awesome. And a special thank you to Custom Dynamics for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate all of your support. So let's get to it. This is where we enjoy the ride. So come on, let's go. After removing the saddlebags and side covers, I removed the 50 amp fuse. Then I unclip the ECU and move it out of my way to get to the battery. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. In the license plate relocation kit, you get detailed directions. And the license plate bracket, I chose chrome to match my bike, but it also comes in black. With the Probeam LED tail light, you receive a gasket and a set of nylon washers. Next, I use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws, one on each side of the stock tail light. Then I disconnect the tail light from the circuit board. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I remove the large center screw securing the base plate and the circuit board, setting it aside to use later. Then I disconnect the tail light wire harness. I dry fit the bracket by placing it on the fender and sliding it down onto the notches. Using rubbing alcohol, I clean the fender and remove the protective backing. I feed the tail light harness back through the base plate and reconnect it. I secure the base plate, bracket, and circuit board using the Phillips screw that I set aside. Using rubbing alcohol, I clean the base plate and the new tail light. Then I connect the tail light to the circuit board and make some final adjustments to the gasket on the base plate. I put the nylon washers under the screws, and using a Phillips screwdriver, I screw them in, alternating from side to side to make sure it's evenly installed, and making sure not to tighten down too tight. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery. Then I clip the ECU back into place. Before installing the new seat, I clean up all of the wires underneath and zip tie them to the frame. Then I install the 50 amp fuse. Next, I install the seat. Okay guys, that wraps up part 3 of Jim's new look, and Custom Dynamics did it again. Their product is amazing. It's so easy and it looks beautiful when it's all done. I just absolutely love it. Thank you again, Custom Dynamics, for sending me such cool products. I love it. I hope you love the video as well, and check out more content on their website from other installers. It's pretty cool. Until next time, enjoy